Okay, so we're doing number 7 now. And number 7, the first question asks, it says, how much 0.05 moles of HCl solution, let me use a highlighter, can be made by diluting 250 ml of 10 molar HCl. So this is C1, concentration 1, and this is volume 1. We're looking for how much, so that's volume 2, and we're given C2, which is concentration C2, which is what we're trying to make. So C1 V1 equals C2 V2. We're looking for V2, so we make V2 the subject by diluting both sides by V2. So cancels there, so C2 equals C1 V1 over V2, which is C1 is 250, sorry, C1 is 10 times V1 is 250, then divide that by 0.05, which is C2. Okay, let me lower this a little bit. I lower this a little bit, just like that. I'll put it up there. That's better. And then I just highlight it. And then we do 10 times 250. Divide that by 0.05. Is 28. In fact, this should be 0.05. 0. Okay, we have to go back. Let's do that again. 10 times 250 divided by 0.05. That gives us 50,000. Okay, so we need VT to be 50,000. That's the answer to that one. Let's look at the second one. Let's change purple. So I have 345 mLs of a 1.5 molar. Let's highlight that. I have 345 of a 1.5 molar solution. If I boil the water until the volume is 250, okay, that means V2. That means V2 equals 250 mLs. Okay, so this is V1 equals 345 mLs. And if that's V1, then that's C1 equals 1.5 molar. So what would be the new concentration? That's C2. So for this one, I'm looking for C2. So C1 V1 equals C2 V2, which means I'm going to divide by V2. So I'm left with C2. So C2 equals C1 is 1.5. Multiply that by V1, which is 345. And divide by V2, which is 250. So 1.5 times 345 divided by 250 will give us times 345. That's the concentration, so that's fine. So it will give us a concentration of 2.07 molar. Okay, then the last one. Let's do the last one. The last one says, how much water will I need to add to 500? So that tells me that V1 is 500, okay, mLs of a 2.4 molar. So that C1 equals 2.4 molar. To make C2 equals 1.0 molar. So I'm going to get this volume. I'm going to calculate. When I find V2, I'm going to subtract V1 to see how much has been added. Okay, so let's do C1 V1 equals C2 V2 divided by C2 divided by C2. That will give us V2, which is C1, and C1 is, in this case, 2.4. Well, we've got it here. C1 is 2.4 times V1, which is 500, divided by C2, which is 1.0. And 2.4 times 500 is going to give us 1,200. Okay, so that's V2. Then we take that 1,200 and subtract the 500 mils. That's going to give us 700. That needs to be added to make a smaller solution. That's question 7 done.